Hey you guys, got this pull starter on my STIHL chainsaw here, this MS-271. You can see it needs to be replaced. So it's a newer saw, but the rope just didn't hold up, and so I went to the store, the saw store, and got some more rope to replace it. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I haven't replaced this on this one before, so just gonna go through the process with you. So it looks like I need to loosen this one, and that one. So I'm gonna grab my star wrench. Okay, got those 3 fasteners removed. Looks like I need to remove this one too. It screws down into here. So I've got this one loosened all the way, and I think I need to take this off too, because this thing kind of tucks up back there. So no big deal. I'll just go ahead and loosen this fastener and this one too. All right, this actually looks like it's all one piece. Yep, sure is. I don't know if I need to take that off, but what the heck. Now it looks like I got full access to this, and that means I need to take this off as well. There we go. There's what I need. It's kind of cool how they have this designed. It's got a specific shape to it for a reason. Check it out. When you pull on it, it's hard to see. So you can do it slow. So pulling on that like that, goes up and catches that upper piece. So that's kind of that sort of slop you feel in there a little bit, is just that little bit of movement right there. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this rope out of here. I've got this thing pulled all the way out, and I'm just gonna loosen it just a little bit. I'm gonna pull this cord out here, just like that. And then that way I can kind of feed it back up through here. I'm trying to hold this in place. And I'm gonna grab this out of here like that. There we go, just pulling it through there. Now the thing will pull all the way out of there. Just clip that knot off. And pull that all the way through. Okay, I'm actually gonna go ahead and burn the end of that a little bit better. Kind of form it to a tip. That way it gets down through there a lot better. I'll do that again. Try to get it. There you go. Kind of get it formed to a tip there. Get it wound up to where I had it. See the end there? I can almost grab the end down in there. There we go. That's what I wanted. Now I'm going to tie a knot in this end. One-handed half hitch. There's that, and I can always clip that little end later. So now I'm just not going to let it fly yet. That mash down in there, like I said. There we go. I'll clip that in. But now you can see, and I don't want to let this end go. So what I'm going to do is put a clamp on this end for now. Clamp that in so it doesn't go through there. But I do need this handle, so all I'm going to do is just pull the string all the way through this handle. And then run this up through the handle. I think I'm gonna need to, yep, I'm gonna need to burn that end too. There we go, now I can just push it up through the end of that handle. There, tie another half hitch. There we go. I'll trim that up. Trim the end of that up.